Facing issues with Telegram calls, stuck on waiting and not connecting? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through simple and effective solutions to fix the Telegram call waiting problem, so you can make calls without any interruptions. Let's get started. Before going forward, check these basic things. Ensure a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Solution 1. Check the Telegram app permission. Tap and hold the Telegram app. Then hit the iInfo icon from the pop-up. After that, go to permissions. Now ensure that all the permissions are allowed. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache and data. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Then tap apps. Scroll down and find Telegram. Now hit storage. Then press clear data. Next, tap clear cache. And tap clear cache again from the pop-up. Solution 3. Disable battery optimization. Swipe down the notification center. Then look for options like power saving or battery saver. Now turn it off. Solution 4. Update the Telegram app. Go to Play Store and search the Telegram app. Then check if there is any available update for Telegram. Now update the latest Telegram app and try. Alright everyone, these advanced steps will help you fix the Telegram call waiting issue on your smartphone. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.